Alright, this is our video tutorial for how to access Study Island. Study Island is a supplemental curriculum that we will use to help us prepare for the state tests. And every child at EPIC has access to this and should be using it. So we're going to first go to the website www.studyisland.com. And this is the page that you will see. You'll click right up here in the top right hand corner where it says Login. And you're going to type in your username and password. And again, this is information that you were sent in your important information document. Once you've entered your username and password, you would click Submit. And once we've logged in, this is the main page that you'll see. It will say My Class, and you will have a bar here that either has your grade or it will say Map Learning Bridge. If you're in grades 3 through 8, your data from the MAP system is automatically going to come over into Study Island, and that's what you'll be working on. If you are in K through 2, you'll have your grade, and if you're in high school, you will have an EOI prep course for whichever EOI you will be taking that year. So to get started, you're going to click on the plus sign, and it will drop down all of the different assignments that you have. And we'll go ahead and click on the first one. And this brings up our different topics that we're going to be working on in Study Island. One thing that's important to note, it's kind of not very obvious, but right next to the topic title is lesson. Before you start a topic, you need to make sure and click on this lesson and read through the information that's contained in there. There's a movie here. We would go to page 2. This is important information that's going to prep you to take that quiz. So make sure you click on the lesson first. When you have done that and you're ready to start doing your Study Island quiz, you'll click on the topic. And then here you've got some options: practice mode, classroom response systems, printable worksheet, game mode. The two that we want to choose from are practice mode or game mode. You can choose either one, it's whichever you prefer. On the number of questions, if you are in kindergarten through 2nd grade, you need to choose at least 20 questions. If you are in 3rd through 8th grade, you need to choose at least 25 questions. When you're ready, after you've selected the number of questions, you're going to click Next, and you will get started on your quiz. Go back to the main menu. It will take us back to where we started. And you can minimize this, and it will show you if you have different classes in here. Other than just your general class, it will be there. Over here you got My High Scores, which will give you a high score report. My Reports is in there. And you also have access here on the side to all of the different Oklahoma programs. So if you feel like you want to challenge yourself for one day, you can go over here and select a higher grade and kind of play around in there. But this is Study Island, and again, this is required for all of our kiddos at EPIC. And especially for students in 3rd through 8th grade, this is really going to help prepare you for the state tests, get you used to how the questions are formed, and how to find the right answer within that. And each of you have been given a schedule with kind of an approximate time that you need to spend on Study Island every week.